Namaste Gurukulians, how are you? I hope that you will be fit and fine and doing your study through online classes. So as you know that we are doing our chapter 3rd from 6th class history section, that is the name in the earlier cities. So before this part we completed the part 2nd in which we discussed about the great bath of Indus Valley civilization, Mohenjo-daro. What was the quality of this bath? We have discussed in the previous class, and in today's class we are going to discuss another point, that is about the quality and the specialty of the earlier city. So first, next point is that houses, drains and streets. What type of houses they have, what type of drains they have, what type of streets they have, these were the specialty of these earlier cities. So क्या क्वालिटीज़ थी, क्या खूबियाँ थी स्ट्रीट्स की, ड्रेन्स की, हाउसेस की. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दिस. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट हाउसेस 1 or 2 stories high. It means the houses which we found in these civilization, in the Indus Valley civilization, these houses were 1 or 2 story high. It means उनकी जो हाइट होती थी वो 1 या 2 मंजिला होती थी. It means story means मंजिल. Okay. With room built around the courtyard, and there would be a courtyard in the middle part, and around this courtyard there were rooms. एक आंगन होता था, एक बरामदा होता था और उसके साइडों में क्या होते थे, रूम्स होते थे. एंड विथ सेपरेट बाथिंग एरिया, एंड द बाथिंग एरिया इट मीन्स बाथिंग एरिया एंड टॉयलेट्स विथ वेल्स प्रोवाइडिंग वाटर. और हर एक जो दैट इज़ द रूम विच वे ऑल अराउंड थ्रू द कोर्टयार्ड, इन द कोर्टयार्ड. सो दीज हैव सेपरेट बाथिंग एरिया. इट मीन्स जो नहाने की जगह थी एंड टॉयलेट्स. सो दीज एरियाज वर सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द रूम्स, दैट्स वर बाथिंग एरिया. इट मीन्स बाथरूम एंड टॉयलेट्स or toilets with wells providing water. It means for these two things we need the necessity, there is a necessity of water, कि दोनों के लिए पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है, इसीलिए ये अलग होते थे रूम से. प्रोवाइडिंग वाटर्स, वेल्स प्रोवाइडिंग वाटर. इट मीन्स जो वहाँ पर पानी आता था, कुओं से पानी आता था और वहाँ वाटर फैसिलिटीज़ थी सेपरेट रूम में, सेपरेट बाथिंग एरिया एंड टॉयलेट्स में. नेक्स्ट, सिटीज़. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द अर्लियर सिटीज़. सिटीज़ हैज कवर्ड ड्रेन्स. इट मीन्स जो ड्रेन्स होती थी, इट मीन्स दैट इज ड्रेन्स. व्हाट आर ड्रेन्स? जिनको हम हिंदी में नालियाँ कहते हैं. सिटीज़ हैड कवर्ड ड्रेन्स विद स्लोप. जो नालियाँ होती थी वो कवर्ड होती थी, ढकी रहती थी स्लैब वगैरह के साथ या किसी भी ईंट वगैरह के जो भी उन्होंने मटेरियल बनाया हुआ था. दैट इज़ कवर्ड विद स्लोप. स्लोप मीन्स कवर्ड ड्रेन्स विद स्लोप्स. जो ड्रेन होती थी, नालियाँ होती थी, स्लोप में होती थी. इट मीन्स ढलान में होती थी, जेंटल स्लोप होता था. दैट वाई डिड दीज ड्रेन्स वर इन स्लोप्स? बिकॉज so that water could flow easily. स्लोप क्यों होता था? ताकि जो वाटर है वो easily flow हो, ब्लॉक ना हो, स्टैगनेंट ना हो, खड़ा ना हो. It means that is why they were in slopes. Inspection holes that were covered with slab provided at intervals for easy cleaning. Provided at intervals cleaning. And what are these? Inspection holes. Inspection hole means जैसे हम नाले बनाते हैं उसमें 5-6 स्लैब के बाद एक पॉइंट छोड़ जाते हैं जो अनकवर्ड होता है. इट मीन्स उसके ऊपर बाकी को अटैच कर देते हैं, सीमेंटेड कोटेड कर देते हैं प्लास्टर के साथ. एंड द वन पॉइंट इज अनलॉक्ड unplastered, so that we can do cleaning after regular intervals. रेगुलर इंटरवल्स में उसको क्लीन करने के लिए, बिकॉज इफ देर इज वाटर ऑलवेज ड्रेन्ड इट मे बी ब्लॉक्ड बिकॉज ऑफ सम गार्बेज, some another things that can block the drains. So that's why inspection holes are provided at intervals for easy cleaning in Indus Valley civilization. inspection hole होते थे ड्रेन के ऊपर रेगुलर इंटरवल के बाद, क्यों? फॉर इजी क्लीनिंग, ताकि अच्छी तरह से उसकी सफाई हो सके. दैट्स वाई इट इज डन इन द Indus Valley civilization. Next, clearly houses, drains, streets were properly planned. It means जो houses थे, घर थे, मकान थे, drains, नालियाँ, streets, गलियाँ were properly planned. It means they were properly planned. They were not unplanned. Where should like today, after before constructing any house, we consult with the we consult with the architect. Okay, architect made the map of the particular house and then we constructed. So it means we want our house or building with a proper planning. So that's why it also had been done in the Indus Valley civilization. It means the houses, the drains, the streets are properly planned. It means they were properly planned. So this is the another specialty of earlier cities. What was this quality? Story, 1 or 2 story high, built around, rooms were built around the courtyard, separate bathing area and toilets area. Next, water always provided for this part. Next, the drains were covered with covered drains, and there was a slope in the drains so that the water can flow easily, and in drains there are inspection holes so that the cleaning would be done easily. So that's why this is the quality of this cities. Next, our next point is about the life in the city. What type of life they lived? Either they lived easily or their life will be full of work. So we are going to discuss in this next point. So our next point is life in the city. Life in the city. What type of life they lived? First point, their life was very busy. Very busy life. Like today, we are also living busy life. It means which person is busy? It means who has a work. It means their life was also busy because they have a work. They always remained in some type of work. They always busy in some type work. That is why their life was very busy. Next, what type of, how can we say that their life was busy? It is likely that rulers sent people to distant land For what purpose? To get valuable, objects. Their life was very busy. It is likely, it means ऐसा लगता है, ऐसा होता होगा शायद, that rulers, it means the kings, the rulers that ruled over particular area or place, sent people, लोगों को भेजता था to distant lands, दूर दूर के देशों में, to get valuable objects, क्या करने के लिए? कीमती सामान, कीमती वस्तुएं लाने के लिए. So that's why in their life was busy. That is the point. Next, scribes. Scribes, it means people who could write, help to prepare, the seals. It means important thing. Next point is scribes. Scribes means, what are scribes? The people who are doing the works of writing. Those peoples are called scribes. जो लिखा पढ़ी का काम करते थे, that's are called scribes. People could write, जो लिखते थे, it means जो writing का वर्क किया करते थे. Help to prepare the seals, उनकी हेल्प ली जाती थी. Their help was taken to prepare the seals. सीलें तैयार करने में. It means it is the important thing. You know that some valuable documents are sealed. There should be the documents after writing it was put into some type of bag, and then there should be a note, and on this note there was a seals. So that is the work of seals was doing by the scribes. Next is craftsmen. Craftsmen making all kinds of all kind of craftsmen making all kinds of things, kind of things. Next is terracotta toys. Terracotta toys have been found. What is terracotta? A type of fired clay typically of a brownish red brownish red color and unblazed color and unblazed used as an ornament ornamental building material and modeling So this is all about terracotta. Craftsmen making all kinds of things. Craftsmen means जो कारीगर थे हर एक प्रकार की चीज़ें वो बना लेते थे. इट मीन्स चाहे कुछ भी जो चीज़ों को डेकोरेटिव वे में तैयार करके वो उसको ब्यूटिफाइड करते थे, डेकोरेटेड करते थे, उसको बना देते थे. ऑल काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, इट मीन एवरी टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स दे कैन मेक, दे कुड मेक. सॉरी, terracotta toys have been found. It means in Indus Valley civilization terracotta toys has also been found. What is terracotta? A type of fired clay, एक प्रकार की जली हुई मिट्टी होती है, typically of a brownish red colors, जिसका कलर कैसा होता है, भूरा लाल रंग का, जिसको गेरू कहते हैं. एंड अनब्लेज्ड, और अनब्लेजिंग होती है, ब्लेजिंग इसके चमक नहीं होती. यूज्ड एज एन ऑर्नामेंटल बिल्डिंग मटेरियल, ऑर्नामेंटल बिल्डिंग मटेरियल के रूप में इसको यूज़ किया जाता है, डेकोरेट करने के लिए और मॉडलिंग के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स आर फाउंड इन द सिटी लाइफ. इट मीन्स द सिटी लाइफ वॉज वेरी बिजी, एज इट इज़ लाइकली दैट द रूलर सेंड द पीपल टू डिस्टेंट लैंड फॉर गेटिंग valuable things. And last is, second is scribes, people doing the work of making seals, and craftsmen make all kind of things, and terracotta toys had been found. So this is the life of city. Next about is new crafts in the city. Next is new crafts in the city. Crafts in the city. What type of new crafts? What type of new crafts? What is crafting? First of all, I am going to discuss with you what is crafting. It means to using all kind of things, and after using these things to make a good thing and decorative things, that is a crafting. Okay. Next, what is done in the situation? Tools, weapons, ornaments and vessels, tools, weapons, ornaments and vessels made of stone, shell and metal, made of shell and metals, including copper, bronze, gold and silver. So tools, औजार, वेपन्स, हथियार, ऑर्नामेंट्स, आभूषण, वेसल्स, बर्तन, मेड ऑफ स्टोन, पत्थर के, शेल के, मेटल्स के. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट आर इन crafting, and the metal that are used for making copper and bronze. These two metals are strong, so these are used for making weapons, and so weapons and tools. ये जो दोनों धातुएं होती है कॉपर एंड ब्रॉन्ज, दीज आर स्ट्रॉन्ग, हार्ड होती है, स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है, एंड फॉर मेकिंग वेपन्स एंड टूल्स दीज टू मेटल्स आर यूज्ड. नेक्स्ट इज गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. दीज आर डेलिकेटेड मेटल्स एंड दीज आर यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग ऑर्नामेंट्स एंड वेसल्स. बर्तन और आभूषण बनाने के लिए दीज टू मेटल्स आर यूज्ड. सो दे मेक दीज टाइप ऑफ टूल्स, वेपन्स फॉर फ्रॉम दीज मेटल्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज बीड्स. बीड्स आर beads made of carnelian, it means red stone. जो बीड्स थी, मतलब मालाएं थी, वो रेड कार्नेलियन से बनाई जाती है. इट वॉज ए रेड स्टोन, यू नो दैट इट वॉज ए हार्ड स्टोन, एंड आफ्टर होलिंग इट थ्रेड वॉज पास्ड इन दिस कार्नेलियन एंड द बीड्स वर मेड ऑफ दिस. सो कार्नेलियन बीड्स वर मेड ऑफ दिस. नेक्स्ट, वेट. Weights are made of chert. Weights are made of chert, a kind of stone Weights are made of chert, a kind of stone, and blade made out. Next is pot with beautiful design. Pots made with beautiful design. Next, embroidered clothes made of spindle walls made of spindle walls made by spindle walls made of terracotta and terracotta and faience, FAIENCE. So these were the things that are used in crafting. What kind of thing? Beads made of carnelian, it means red stone, that after making a hole, the thread was passed around in it and the beads were made. Next, weights are made of chert. जो weights होते हैं जिसको हम बाट कहते हैं, today there are electronics measurement are here, but in the past and some in the primitive areas of country, you know that there should be a small type of weight, it means बाट जिसे कहते हैं जिसमें तोला जाता है. So weights are made of chert. Chert is a kind of stone, एक प्रकार का पत्थर होता है, वो बनाए जाते हैं और वो बड़े प्रिकॉशनली तरीके से बनाए जाते थे क्योंकि सोने चांदी के अंदर एक्सचेंजिंग की जाती थी, व्यापार किया जाता, चीज़ें बदली जाती थी. सो एवरी आउंस, एवरी पॉइंट वाज minutely noticed, so that's why they are made of chert and blade made out of, and from this stone blade was also made out. Next is pots with beautifully designed. बर्तन जो बनाए जाते थे they were made with precautiously and beautifully designed after making. Next, embroidered clothes. You know that in this part, in this civilization, the one crop has been in practice, that was a cotton, and after growing this crop, they knew the art of making clothes, and these clothes were making on spindle wheels. स्पिंडल वर्ल्स के ऊपर बनाए जाते थे, उनको पहले काटा जाता था, रुई जो उसको धागा बनाया जाता था, एंड दैट स्पिंडल वर्ल्स वर मेड ऑफ फायंस एंड टेरिकोटा. ये जो दोनों थे, दैट इज वॉज ऑल्सो ए काइंड ऑफ मेटल, दैट इज ए आर्टिफिशियल मेटल, एंड दीज आर नेचुरल. सो दीज आर मेड ऑफ these walls are made of faience. So embroidered clothes, जो कढ़ाईदार कपड़े थे वो तैयार किए जाते थे, जो इन स्पिंडल वर्ल्स के ऊपर जो कताई होती थी, स्पिनिंग होती थी, उसके बाद वो उसको यूज़ में लेके आते. सो दीज आर द पॉइंट्स ऑफ दिस न्यू क्राफ्ट्स इन द सिटी. सो दिस इज़ आवर पार्ट थर्ड, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. दिस इज़ आवर पार्ट थर्ड. एंड दिस पार्ट वी came to know about the houses, drains and the streets of the earlier city. Next we discussed about the life of the city, what type of life they live. They were busy, their life was busy, they have to go one place to another in the rulership of any person. And in the last we discussed about the new crafts in the city, that the new, what were the new crafts. We discussed about the tools, weapon, ornaments, vessels, and beads were made of carnelian stone, beads made of chert, pots with beautiful design, and the embroidered cloths were made by the spindle wheels, made of the spindle wheels by made which that spindle wheels were made by terracotta and faience. So this is all about in our third part, and in the fourth part we will discuss about the in search of materials. We will discuss this part in the fourth part of this chapter. So in this part, if you have any queries, any doubts, you can send message, ask your queries in the from 10 to 12. So that's it enough for today. Good day, have a nice day. Namaskar.